appreciate this moment to share some details about Stevens Point Orthopedics. Back in 2018 and again in 2019, I finally made the decision to go forward with total knee replacement. Shawn Dombrowski was fantastic as she prepared me for all the unknowns that I would, take part in during that procedure, and I greatly appreciate all her kindness and wisdom to make me feel comfortable making such a decision. I had spent years making the decision to move forward. I had spent years of walking with bone-on-bone pain that was just crazy. I don't know why I waited so long. I can't encourage people enough to just make the decision, especially at Stevens Point Orthopedics. They have a great staff. Dr. Hammerly was my surgeon, and I can't say enough good about him. The outcome of the surgery has just been wonderful. To walk now and to not have bone-on-bone pain is just more than I can even tell you. And then Ben Phelan, we dealt with post-op details, and he was also fantastic, and I greatly appreciate the many ways they walked me through that journey.